I chose to work in MoQuality mostly because I loved the name. So the MoQuality name was what stood out in my mind, more quality. But in all seriousness, it's a great application for what we do. The ability for us to test across multiple devices is fantastic. Shavik has been great, basically coming in when we need him to come in and being flexible in the product. If they keep going in that direction, expand those tools to make them even more flexible for our use and cover more devices, it'll be a great product into the long term.
I chose to work with the MoQuality team because I've been in the testing industry for quite some time, and their insights into bringing AI into testing just excites the heck out of me. What I think will set up MoQuality for success in the long term is two things. One is their passion, and two is the engine that they've built that as they continue to invest in will improve over time. It's my great honor to introduce Shavik Roy Chowdhury to the stage.
Hi, I'm Shavik, and let me show you how we are using AI to revolutionize mobile app testing. Let's get started. Oops. Actually, this is the point. Despite hours and hours of testing, our apps are still buggy. And that is because we do all of it manually. MoQuality is a self-learning software testing platform that automatically tests your apps just like humans do, except only 80% faster and with 60% better coverage, allowing companies to launch their apps with confidence. My name is Shavik Roy Chowdhury. I am the MoQuality CEO with a PhD in software testing and having built large-scale software testing systems at companies like Google, Yahoo, and IBM. I know this space very intimately. My co-founder, Pushkar, the CTO, is an AI expert and has worked on self-driving cars at Toyota and Tesla. Our team has won several scientific and academic awards, including a seed grant from the National Science Foundation, and we are the guys who are bringing AI and computer vision to mobile app testing. So last month, Apple launched iOS 11 and 3 new phones. Accordingly, every app on the App Store needs to be upgraded to iOS 11 and tested for compatibility on all popular phones in the market, not just Apple, but also Android. And this turns out to be the biggest challenge, making sure that your app works on different screen sizes, OS versions, user configurations. Your app also you need to test every screen and every widget in your app, and those are a lot of combinations. And finally, when you have a new version of your app, you need to test core functionality yet again and again. Now, teams might find themselves wanting to run as many as 500,000 test cases per release, but they're not doing that. This is why errors are extremely common in apps, and testing is dreaded because it delays launch by weeks. Because these are too many tests for anyone to manually execute, and this overwhelms the limits of human testing, even if you use scripting. What QA has been calling automated for years is actually not automated after all. This is why you need AI, to help prioritize your testing efforts and do the testing for you, so that you can test important features quickly. Now let me show you how MoQuality works. Once an app is uploaded to MoQuality, our engine loads the app and checks each and every screen and interaction, just like a user would, and points out potential problems. What you're seeing on the screen is the Cox Connect mobile app, and that our engine was able to find an issue in the billing section of the app. Now, MoQuality identified and documented this error in literally minutes, something that would have taken a human tester hours, and that is even if they could find it at all. Next, MoQuality repeats the tests on different devices. What you're seeing on the screen is the testing of the Park mobile app, which you might already know, because you use it for parking at the Tabernacle here tonight, right? This is the cross-device report for Park Mobile. And now Park Mobile does not need to rely on humans to repeat an arduous testing script, but has the confidence that MoQuality will get the work done quickly and accurately. And the best part, when Park Mobile has a new version of their app, MoQuality runs regression tests to make sure that old features still keep working. Now, did that sink in? With MoQuality, you'll be able to confidently release new versions without having to manually retest old features, giving you peace of mind and higher ratings on the App Store. Now, software testing is a $43 billion market, and we've chosen to focus on the fastest growing segment of this pie, mobile app testing, which is estimated at $4 billion. That said, our platform can be leveraged for testing games, hardware, IoT devices, and more. And we have aspirations to build solutions for each of these applications over time. As you saw in our demo, MoQuality is creating this new category of AI-based automatic testing tools that check every screen and interaction across devices and finds real issues that your users might run into. Unlike manual testing, you don't need to put in repetitive human effort. And unlike scripted testing, you don't need to write or maintain test scripts. And by the way, all the companies that you see on your right here, they are not our competitors. Our goal is to convert them into customers or partners. So with MoQuality, you can get a testing process that's 80% faster, reducing testing time from weeks to hours, and it gives 60% better coverage. So no more bad ratings on the App Store because of low quality. And all of this without any human effort past initial setup. Just think about the peace of mind, right? So anyone building an app can get started with MoQuality. Small and medium-sized enterprises can sign up for our self-service offering. And with our experience at IBM and Google, we understand the needs of large enterprises and have a full-service solution for them. MoQuality is already being used today at several companies, our largest user being Park Mobile, who has 7.5 million end users, and all of them trust MoQuality to keep their quality under control. And we've already saved over 20 hours per week at these companies. We also have several enterprise companies in the pipeline, such as Cox Communications and ADP, who are starting a pilot with MoQuality. And today, I'm happy to announce that one of the largest smartphone manufacturers, Huawei, has signed a trial contract with MoQuality to help them test latest games on their new Android phones. Thank you. So in 2011, Mark Andreessen said that software is eating the world. And today I'm telling you that everywhere there's software, there should be MoQuality.